Welcome. If you've ever found yourself distracted by constant notifications from specific group posts on Facebook, you're not alone. With the latest update to the Facebook app on PC, it's easier than ever to take control of your notifications and focus on what really matters to you. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable notifications for a specific group post so you can enjoy a quieter, more tailored Facebook experience. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Head over to the left sidebar and find the group where the post is located. Click on the group to open it and start scrolling through your feed until you find the post that's been sending you those persistent notifications. Once you've located the post, look for the three little dots in the upper right corner of the post. This icon gives you access to additional options for that specific content. Give those three dots a click. A menu will pop up with several choices tailored to managing your interaction with that post. From this list, select Turn off notifications for this post. With just one click, you'll instantly disable future notifications related to that post. Whether someone else comments or reacts, you won't be bombarded with updates anymore. The change takes effect immediately, so you can get back to browsing without further interruptions. This handy feature doesn't remove you from the group or hide the posts from your feed. It simply stops the flood of notifications tied to that single post. If there's another post bothering you, simply repeat these steps with any group post you'd like. And just like that, you'll have more control over your Facebook notifications, making social media work for you, not against you. Thank you for tuning in.